Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I reached 10,000 and I've kind of fallen off the face of the earth, haven't I? I'm sorry about that, guys. I've been prepping the house to sell, and it's a lot more work than I thought. Anyhow, tonight we are going to make some alcohol inks out of TLPs. I have made a bunch right here, and they're really easy to make, and I'm going to show you some of the things that you can do with these. I'm prepping for my Christmas show, and I want to be able to get some really special things up for people. Actually, I just started doing, there's actually something in here, doing these, this is my practice one. I learned a lot from my mistakes on that one, so yeah, it's all good. So I'm going to do taffy, and you do want to have your mask on. I'm putting a good amount in here. Close it up. Put some alcohol in it. It's real easy to make. Stir it up. Oh, geez Louise. Nice. And it dissolves really quickly. So what you want to do from here is take a little bottle like this, and these bottles are excellent. I'm going to have to, oh, where did they go? Here we go. I got these on Amazon, and they have different kinds of lids for them. So what you want to do is put it into, take this out, save the cup foundation, and put it into the little bottle. Now you can, at this point, I don't like to waste, so I just kind of put a little bit in here, swoosh it around, just to give it a little bit more volume. And then we take hairspray, any kind of hairspray. And I do it inside the bottle because it's a lot easier. And just give it a couple of good sprays. And this is what binds it. Whoops. All right. And put the top, oh, before you put the top on, you get these little BB balls from, oh, geez Louise, they're hard to get out. I have all my lids in here. Just take a couple of them and put them in the bottom. Put the lid on, shake her up, and that's it. Pretty easy. So I've made some up, and I found these at the dollar store. These are candle holders, and this one actually has a boo-boo on it, so I don't know how that's going to work out, but I'm definitely going to be putting gold on it, I'm sure. So I made this one already, and that was with SUPERNOVA and PINWHEEL and ore, and that turned out real pretty. So let's try some different colors. This is MERMAID. This is ECHEVARIA. And this is gold. Ouch. You want to keep shaking it until you hear the little BB balls. Okay, so I have some alcohol, plain alcohol right here, and a paintbrush. So I'm going to start with the MERMAID. I'm just going to drip it. So that it goes all the way around. Whoa! And it meets up. There we go. And I'm going to take the ECHEVARIA and do the same. Oh. It's okay if it runs over. each other. And just kind of turn it. I did get a cup turner. Now see, I don't like this coming down here. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of melding together, which is cool. And the gold, the ore. It's not gold, it's ore. All TLPs. Oh, wow, that's really cool. That is so cool. So I'm going to bring, yeah, that in. I don't know, I just wanted to bring that in. So that's really, really cool. And you just keep going. Now you can use a dryer. Like I've got this kind of a dryer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up a little bit. Don't necessarily want that to go that far down. And I'm just going to let it roll back, right back in to the rest of it. Create a new design. And paper towel. Wow, I really like that. I'm going to put a little bit more of the mermaid in. Yeah, I just wanted to bring that, that little boo-boo into, that was a boo-boo that was already there from the dollar store. It's fun. Tons of fun. Very cool. All right, so that's a gift, or we can use that as something to sell. Now this is a 5-inch ball. I did not get it black, it was clear. I've spray painted it flat black. And I'm going to do the same thing, except for we're going to do different colors this time. This is Grenache. Perfect for the holidays, right? Here we go. It's really pretty. And I'm going to put some gold over top. Now these black ones are really cool to put, like the Supernova and the and Pinwheel. That is way cool. Now I'm going to put, this is Latte. Swirl it around. Is that rain or is that just wind? And I'm going to put some more of the red. Grenache. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I should put some Supernova over it. Oh, wow. So you can just play. I'm just playing now. Ooh. I'm a like. I don't like the hard lines, so I'm putting a little alcohol at the top of this to let it run through so that it creates a little bit of a different line there. All right, I like it. Ta-da! And you can do these in any color. I got this at Michael's. All right, so we're gonna do this one in purples and blues. Here is the pinwheel. And this is brulee. Oh man, now I'm really loving it. Wow. And this is latte. That is way cool. Wow. I'm very happy with this. Very happy. I just have to clean up these edges a little bit. But yeah, I'm loving it. Hope you love it too. And I left the sticker on. So when you pull that off, there's no ink, you know, going around. I can't stop now. See? See what you did to me? You made me do it. You can do this with resin. I was just trying these alcohol inks out on it, and I am super, super pleased. Oh my gosh. I don't think you'd get this kind of a design with the resin. Alcohol inks. Yep, very cool. Well, I had a ton of other projects I was going to show you tonight, but I think this is enough for now. And I'm going to take a clean paper towel and just spray it and get those areas. What do you think, guys? Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, after you've done this part of it, you let it cure, let it dry for, it doesn't even take that long to dry. And then you want to spray it with karmar varnish to make sure it sets. If you put the hairspray in here, it will make it, it will set it, but you have to truly set it with the karmar varnish before you do any resining. Yep, gotta love it. Another experiment. That it's the more it dries, the more I love it, and I love the blending of the colors. All right, that's it. That's all. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now. These are the dried results, but they're not sealed yet. Pretty darn happy. And then this one we'll reveal later. Pretty cool. Yay.